Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Giselle here.
Hi.
So today we're going to be making goo or slime. And these are our products here, and we purchased everything at Walmart. So we got some food coloring, and Giselle picked pink and purple, and then we're gonna do the third one with this pretty glitter glue. So we're gonna be pouring this one into a small container.
Yeah.
It smells?
I want to squish it too.
Okay, put some in there. Okay, that's it. Okay. And then we're gonna put this liquid in here. You ready? Here, you grab this. And you're gonna start stirring it, okay?
I'm gonna stir it.
You just kind of have to eyeball it.
That looks so funny. Look at the bottom. So glittery.
And this is our first time doing this. You see that?
Wow. Just have some top.
This is when you have to go in with your hands.
Oh, you do with your finger first and then just. Oh, I feel so weird. Oh my gosh.
And here's our slime.
Did I play with it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me just. Well, this is our first slime.
This is so
We still have to mix it so it can.
Once you mix it, it'll not be sticky.
Yeah, you have to make sure you mix it well.
So it won't be sticky anymore.
Wow. We're gonna put it back in the
You can really see the glitter on my finger.
This is really slimy.
I know.
Right?
And slippery. Not sticking anymore. Ah. It's like a shimmery, slimy. It's so sticky and slimy.
So now we're gonna do a regular white color elms glue. And what color do you want to pick? Pick a color.
I want to pick
And we're gonna do the same thing. Just
pink and purple.
put it in here.
Ooh, I want to squish it again.
We're gonna get the color out.
The color?
Yeah. We'll do purple, I guess. We're gonna put food coloring.
Inside that one.
Just a few drops, like 1, 2, 3, and we'll see how dark it is. And we're just gonna add more coloring.
Can't really see it. One.
You want it dark purple, or we're gonna add some of this again. This one's ready. So we have a red sparkly one and a purple one.
This makes funny sounds.
Wow.
Let's do that one.
Wow. Okay, so we're going to do our third one, which is our last one. Okay. And this one's going to be pink. Oh, it kind of looks red, huh?
I know. Let's see how it turns.
Mix it. Oh, it's looking pink.
Yeah, I like in pink. Wow, I really like this one.
So we're going to add this.
Almost ready, Mama.
Almost? I'll help you because it's hard. Boogers.
How do you do that? Mine is really not that much. But look. This is how I can be.
This is actually fun.
I know.
Did you have fun making this video? Yeah.
That much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That was your favorite? Mine's is the pink one.
Mine is a pink one too. My favorite is the purple one. It's just because it's super stretchy. And mine is the favorite one because it's my favorite color. Fixed it. Oh.
These are our slimes. Look, it's kind of clear.
Oh, I know.
Thank you guys for watching.